Welcome, everyone, most especially to our District of Cluster 10. And we also welcome you to our discipling sessions. And this discipling is where we move from learning to live out our calling. This is now the final stage of our formation program, which is the covenanting. And as for the covenanting, we try to apply ourselves, meaning that we have to give up all. For this, we ask for your total commitment, not just to finish the program, but fully to embrace the transformation God is working in your life. As we enter on our journey, our goal is to become more like Jesus and to learn how to live out his teachings in our daily lives. So let us be open and ready to apply what we learn. Let us pray and invite God's guidance in all the discipling sessions and teachings for the next few months. May God bless you and finish this journey with excellence. Thank you and have a good day.